Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to take the sign of a number inside the Java programming language. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to create a new Java project. So click on create Java project and here we will write the name of the project as sign_00. Click on next and then on finish. You can write any other name of your own choice. Now we will expand our project. We will go to src folder, right click on it, go to new and then click on class. Here we will write signer222 and this is our class name. We also need to tick the public static void main and click on finish. All this will help us in order to write a proper code. So now our class is there, our public static void main function is there. These two things are very necessary for the accomplishment of the Java program. So before going to that, because we are going to take the sign of a number inside Java, so first we will import one class, that is import java.lang.maths. Okay, maths. So this is our class. It is just like a library, okay, library in C. Because with the help of this class we can import a lot of methods, functions and variables and all these things into our program. Now here we will write b or weight double a is equal to 10.8. okay, now this is a number, okay, that is a is equal to 10.8. it is a double of double type, okay, just like a decimal thing, Now we will take the sign of it, so we will write double u. Okay, so this is a new variable and we will write u is equal to math dot sign of a. Okay, math dot sign of a, and it will, what this will do, it will take the sign which is in degrees, okay, so the sign of a, variable a, because whatsoever inside the a sign will go for to fetch the sign value for this proper value, okay, that is 10.8, and then it will store all the things on the left hand side variable. Here we will write system dot, if we want to write system dot out dot print ln and u. okay, now we will run it out. We will see that either it will work or not. So here we got our answer is minus 0.98. You can also convert it into the degrees or radians or whatever you want, okay. It is a very simple thing to get your answer. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.